Hi, I'm Jody from Highbridge Motorhomes Devon, but today we aren't at the Devon branch. We've come all the way to Bailey of Bristol in Clifton for a sneak preview and a little bit of advanced filming for you, the viewers, of some new 2026 Bailey motorhomes and van conversions. And this one's been a bit of a success story for Bailey since they launched it a few years ago. It is the Bailey Endeavour range, and this is the B62, which is the best-selling two-berth U-shape N lounge based on the Ford Transit. So we've taken on Bailey for this year, strictly out of our Devon branch, and we're really excited to do so. And I'm really looking forward to getting this one in particular back to base, as it's been a very, very popular van. And yeah, 6 metres, transit base, two-berth, twin sofas at the back, make single beds, coming in at 69,995. And as Bailey do with almost all of their vans, there are no options. Everything is standard, which is really, really good. So as standard, you get this really nice deep blue metallic paint. You get the 165 horsepower with the wonderful new 8-speed automatic as standard. This one is actually an old cab one, which they're using for sort of press purposes, so just ignore the gear stick in this. The production ones will have the 8-speed with the Tiptronic gearbox and the dial controllers. Smart Ford black 16-inch alloy wheels. We'll have a little walk around the outside first. Thule Omnistor wind-out awning is standard in with that price, which is really good. Electric step. Gas locker now, almost gas-free as standard, which is the future. We like that. So you've got a single gas locker, which will take a 6-kilo propane bottle. And the only thing that is doing is giving gas to your cooker and your hob. So that could last you many, many months. Everything else, as we'll see as we go around, runs on diesel or mains electric. Flush fit double glazed windows. So it's $69.95. It's not a budget van, but you often don't see these windows in this price bracket, so we like that. They look very smart, they're lightly tinted. So N lounge, which you'll see from the inside, but we'll also have a look through the back doors. So we've got standard Ford factory fitted high level reversing camera, standard Ford rear reversing sensors as well. Really nice, this metallic paint really pops in the sun. So opening up the back doors, so it's the classic British layout, be very familiar to the caravanners out there as well. So we've got an N lounge, and there's storage underneath the N lounge. So for those of you who just watched the Bailey Endurance video, which is 6-metre Ford Transit, you could not get 2 more different vans. This one bigger lounge, bigger kitchen, that one bigger bed, bigger storage. But you do have a workable storage area, so you've got access to underneath both of your side sofas from the outside, so you could put, so you can see your mains cable, your hose for filling up, your toilet chems and such like. And there's also plenty of storage, which is even longer down the other side as well. They've even built in storage into the back doors for your little bits and bobs, which will come in handy for whatever you care to put in there, really. I'm sure you'll find something for it. Awning winder pole, cleverly stored up high. Smart, fairly minimal graphics, work really well. So you've got mains hookup, twin leisure battery and 130 amp hour solar panel as standard. All of these things you normally have to add to other manufacturers' vans. Flue for your Truma Combi 4DE heating and hot water system, so that'll run and heat your van, heat your water on electric if you're hooked up, and if you're not, it'll run on diesel from your diesel tank, which is incredibly cheap, very, very economical. Doesn't make a lot of noise, and obviously you've got a massive diesel tank that you can fill up 24 hours a day anywhere, and you'll never even notice it make any difference to it. So Truma Combi DE, diesel electric heating and hot water. Freshwater fill-up point, nice simple cap. You take off, stick a hose in, wait for it to overflow. You've got 100 litres of fresh water, that will last you a good time, and a slightly smaller waste tank underneath. Thetford cassette toilet locker dumping point. Cab spec, there's not a lot of need to look at the dash on this because that has actually changed on the production ones. But all production ones, say, will be the 165 horsepower 2-litre turbo diesel. You'll have the digital dash and the 11-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Autoplay. We'll also get front fog lights, yeah, and the panoramic roof light up on the roof there as well. So going inside the van, useful grab handle for hauling yourself aboard. We come into what is a very, very comfortable place to be. It really is. So nasty outside. You've got a big wrap around full U-shaped lounge. Now you can easily remove this part here for walk-through access or for taking your Christmas tree to the tip in January, anything like that. These will make into instant single beds. Just remove the backrest and you've got single beds there, or it pulls to make a massive double bed, and then you've got beyond the super king size bed, which is lovely. Big storage lockers. I like the fact you've got a proper handle. Most of the vans like this, you have to pull this. This you've got a proper handle for opening and closing. All of your flush fit windows have got proper concertina blinds and fly screens, not the cheaper pull down ones. These are quieter on the move. And very cleverly, as you'd expect all manufacturers to be, Bailey have stopped you opening this window and smashing it with the door. Some Auto Trail, did I say Auto Trail? Some manufacturers who may or may not be Auto Trail have this an opening window and you end up smashing it with your door. So little storage bits back there. Storage underneath, kitchen to the front, you've got extended workspace, 3 gas burner hob and a combination oven and grill, as you'll see in so many other vans. Quite a good sized sink. You've got the very on trend matte black cabinet works and taps, and then a very good sized storage locker with a cutlery drawer as well. Bailey, well done giving us a cutlery drawer. Haven't given us a cutlery drawer insert though, but you can put your own one in there of your choice. Another decent sized cupboard underneath of there. That's really deep, that there, to be fair, so you could whack your air fryer and other paraphernalia in there if you so wish. And the other thing which sets this apart from any other U-shaped lounge transit based van on the market, and there aren't many, but is this place here. So normally you would have a fixed bathroom here, it would come out, and that would give you a big pinch point between your kitchen and your bathroom. So Bailey looked at that and decided to design a very clever way around it. So you've got a hideaway bathroom, as I call them. Work out what end you pull it from. Of course, what you can't do is film from that side, so we'll swap around there so you can do the bathroom. So when you want to use your bathroom, it appears. When you don't, you've got plenty of space to use your kitchen. So in there, you've got a removable shower tray cover. You've got a shower head tap combination, which will pull out, and plenty of storage along with a blown air heater vent. So it's a very functional bathroom when you need it to be. When you don't need a bathroom, you've gained all that floor space there, which I think with this layout, it really, really works. Wardrobe is at the front behind the driver's seat in the more traditional position, with quite a deep, high-level hanging area. Then you've got a 90-litre Thetford 12-volt fridge freezer. I'm a massive convert to 12-volt fridge freezers. I think almost every van conversion today has a 12-volt fridge freezer. I've got one in my camper, which I pretty much full-time in mine, and it will happily sit there and keep everything cold, no matter what the outside temperature is, running from your leisure battery. As long as you've got a decent battery and solar setup, as these have as standard, this will pretty much run indefinitely. Mine's been on for over a year now, which is really, really good news. So Thetford 90-litre fridge freezer, diesel electric heating and hot water. So if you don't want to hook up to the mains, you really don't need to. So this is the Bailey Endeavour B62. We've got one of these on order. It's coming in soon for display purposes. You can come and see it and come and see us down at Highbridge Motorhomes, Devon. We do the Baileys out at the Devon branch. Now you can buy one from the Devon branch, pick it up from Somerset, take it back to there for servicing and after sales. You just got to come and see us or speak to us at the Devon branch to do so. Or if you're going to the NEC show, which is coming up in a couple of weeks' time, and you'd like this sneak preview of the Baileys, you're interested in any of them, be it this, the new Endurance, or the new Autograph range, just give us a call beforehand, make an appointment. We'll come over to the Bailey stand at the NEC, meet you and do you a bit of a deal. So this is the new Bailey Endeavour B62. We are Highbridge Motorhomes, Devon. Give us a call. Thank you very much. Goodbye.